When the world feels heavy, when truths lie buried beneath noise, we rise. From the ground beneath us to the sky above. At Held Accountable, we seed clarity. Rooted in transparency, nourished by trust. We bring real-time insights in crypto, AI, finance, politics, broken into bite-sized briefs, facts, patterns, context, so you're not just informed, you're empowered. Whether you're building wealth, understanding policy, or seeking truth, your journey begins with illumination. With trusted research, archives, lived experience insights, we illuminate the big picture. Log in. Begin your journey. Welcome to Held Accountable, where transparency empowers you.